What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download app. In this video I will show you a wonderful and very useful app. This app will give you many awesome and very wonderful widgets like the one you see on my device and this one in the picture. This app is Widget. This app is free and I highly recommend you to try this app. This app provides you with many useful features that you will not find in any other app. As you see, there are many beautiful widgets and many new widgets are added every day. Of course, you can customize any widget or create your own widget through this wonderful app. The way to get the widget is very easy. All you have to do is open the widget you want. Alright, I will choose this beautiful widget. Now here click import. As you see, the widget has been imported successfully. Of course, you can choose many widgets that you want. There are thousands of beautiful widgets that you can choose any of them and customize any widget you want. As you see, many beautiful widgets in this app. Okay, I will choose this widget. I will also choose this widget. After selecting the widget you want, go to the Manage option here. Here you will find all the widgets that you have imported. Now there is an important thing that you must do, which is add a transparent background. How do you do that? It's easy. First, go to the home screen. Now press and hold on the home screen. Go to the last page where there is no apps. Now here take a screenshot of the background. After taking the screenshot, go to the Widget app. Here click Set Transparent Background. Now choose the screenshot that you took. I've already edited it. Once you're done, click Finish and wait a few seconds. Here choose one of the empty widget places to add the widget to the home screen. Here choose the widget that you want. Choose the place where you want to put the widget. Make sure to place the widget in the same place you selected so that it appears transparent without a background. Okay, I will select this place. Make sure to choose the widget place before adding it to the home screen. Alright, the way to add a widget is easy. Go to the home screen. Now press and hold on the home screen. Press the plus button at the top left here. Now here in the search type the app name, which is Widget. Now all you have to do is choose the widget that you edit. I will choose this widget, click Add Widget. I will add the other widget. As you see, now the widget will appear in this beautiful way, transparent without a background. Of course guys, the widget works directly. As soon as you click one of these apps, the app will open directly. And this is what makes this app very special. You can add many beautiful widgets in the same way and get very beautiful home screen. And the best thing is, this app is completely free. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.